Hello and welcome back guys with another brand new video. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of 7 segment LED decoders. In this video we will explore that they are, how they work and some practical applications. So let's jump in. Let's begin by understanding what a 7 segment LED display is. It consists of 7 individual illuminated segments arranged in a figure 8 pattern. Each segment can be controlled independently, allowing us to display numbers from 0 to 9 and a few alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. Like it's 0 to 15 numbers, you can say the numbers greater than 10 are shown in the form of alphabets. But how do we control these segments to show specific numbers or vectors? That's where the decoders comes in. The 7 segment LED decoder takes binary input and converts it into the signal that control each segment of the display. There are various types of decoders, such as BCD to 7 segment decoders or binary to 7 segment decoder. And today we are here discussing the binary to 7 segment decoders, each with its own functionality. You can see here the circuit diagrams of the 7 segment LED display uh, decoders. You can see if that we have here the four numbers. If we use make the all zeros, the alphabet is showing here is 0. If we make this 1, you will see that we are getting 1 here. And if we memorize that this is for the number 2, then you can see here that here we have a 2, this is for the 3, and for the number 4, this one is the bunch coding, and then for the number 5 this will be, and for the number 6 this will be for the number 7, and this will be for the number 8, and this will be for the number 9. And then if we move towards further for the, you can say A, or here we have the B. You can see this is for the F, this is for the C, this is for the A. 1010, you can say also, as we know. So this is for the B, then this is for the similar like that we, then this is for the D, and after D we what, E. Now I think so, yeah, E. We will get E from here, we get the E. So how these 7 segments LED decoders, the working principle behind the decoder involves logic gates, as you can see here. So we will also discuss about the designing, that how can we design the 7 segments LED decoder. And now let's talk about some practical applications that 7 segments LED decoders are widely used in digital clocks and calculators and industrial instruments, and also it's used in electronics meters. Their simplicity and efficiency make them a popular choice in various electronics devices where numerical or alphanumeric displays are required. To illustrate, here's a demonstration of how the decoders translates binary input into the numbers displayed on the 7 segments decoders. By changing the input, we can say how different numbers are presented on the display. And if we talk about designing the 7 segment display, you have to simply take the 8 NAND gate on the right side and the 7th NAND gate on the left side, and you have to use here AND gates. Now we have to discuss about the inputs of these AND gates only, because each NAND gate have four inputs. If you will see here that how four inputs is working, you can see in from every the positives are all going this side and the negative are all we are checking in most of the cases. Here you can see from here, let me zoom a little bit. You can see this one, that if I make this all the values, then you can see here that what is basically happening. Here we have the NOT gate, here we have the again, now this one is, this value is the positive one, as we have to require. You mean to say that NOT gate of the first binary bits is going in all the NAND gate. Secondly, the positive of this is all going in the last three NAND gate, and then the yes, this one is the negative. The negative is going in the first three NAND gate. Okay, and the positive of this is going in the first two AND gate, and the negative of this will go in the first AND gate only. We have to decrease this a little bit one every time. And if we talk about this, that's how we take the inputs. That in this case, you have to memorize the numbering. That the first AND gate will be, inputs will be 4, then 5, then 6. Then reverse the order: 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, like this. You can see here that there we have the 6 inputs, and there we have the 5, 4, and 6. This one is 4, 5, 6, then 5, 4, 6, and then again 4. So there is simple tricks to memorize. That's how we can do it. Electronic 7 segments LED decoder. We also I will also make a video on that. How can we draw and design the 7 segments LED decoder. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you learned, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like the video and share with your fellows. Thank you so much for watching the video.